In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple password generator using Python. So how it works, just by running the code, it will generate your password. So let's start coding. So first we need to import random and then import string. So we need a variable called length, which is the length of the password. For example, I'll go with 8. Next, a variable called characters, which will contain all the letters, digits, and punctuation. Then we need a third variable called password. So inside the password variable, we will write double quotes dot function join. Inside, write random.choice characters for underscore in range length. So what does it mean is pick a random character from characters repeated length times, join them all together into one string. And finally we print password. Then save and let's run the code. As you can see, it generates a random password with the length of 8 characters and it changes every time. So this is how to make the easiest password generator using Python. And this is it guys, see you next time.